Hello, this is Chris with Pilot Savvy. I'd like to thank you for tuning in. I want to bring you up to date on the do-it-yourself project. On a previous video, I purchased this TrueMod's 4-gang 12-volt rocker switch box. And well, this is just the front portion of it. And I bought it with the intention of updating the Diamond DA50RG flight sim and by Aerobask. So at the time, I went ahead and used the switches that were here, and actually at one point I replaced them with temporary switches there. So these are double single pole double throw switches. Now since then, I came across these, and I've been looking at, because in a real aircraft they have a black background or gray, and it has white switches like so. So I came across these. These are Cessna replacement switches, supposedly for the real aircraft, and they are, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but they're a what are they, 10 amp 250 volt up to that amount, and they're the NWK TA20. And I bought them off of eBay. No, not eBay, I'm sorry, Amazon. And but shipped from Amazon, but made available through this manufacturer. So anyway, I kind of crossed my fingers and went out on a wing and prayer, and I purchased them. Now I did some stuff to speed up the process. And this is actually what I was looking for, something similar. On the Diamond, they're a little well rounded more, whereas the Cessna one here has the more sharper edges. Now, try to make that as focused as possible. So I came up with, I need 10 of them, so for the whole project. So this one is just for the box. So I did some things to speed up the process. Now the dimensions are slightly off a little bit, because what I noticed is the lengthwise they're about the same, and they have that crown on them, so it doesn't have to be exact. Yeah, this crown here doesn't have to be exact. They're close enough, you have enough overlap where the body part here can fit down into the hole that exists for this. Now, what I did have to change, if you look here, the Cessna switch is a little wider, so I had to file. But again, you look at the crown, and it's not. Let me see if I can put them up side by side here. The crown gives you some more leeway, but still not able to fit in. So I just used some channel lock pliers to remove these. I'm going to go ahead and remove them to fast forward. And earlier, I filed these to make them larger. Just use a standard workshop file. Well, I can use some corrosion control here. Got a little corrosion there. And all I did, since the front part of the and the rear is plastic, I just kind of went like so. Well, let me do the one I'm going to do first. I just lightly, it didn't take much. It didn't take much for me to do this here. Sorry, all that shaking me around is making you busy there watching this video. So as you see, got some plastic filings there. But all I need to do was make this here wide enough, and it should slide in. And might need to tweak it some more. I'm not going to do it on this video. I'm going to go ahead and slide the other ones in. It most definitely should be able to fit. Now the only thing I can see here is maybe the top part there may need to go in some more. I can easily tweak that, but I just want to show you what I did for effects. There you go. Yep, I see some things that I can do to make this fit better. Just not gonna prolong it on this video. You'll see the effects that I was shooting for. Okay, and one more. Okay, so they're snapped in, making this look a little bit more realistic. So what I want to do here, what I notice here, they snap in, but they're not exactly flush. I could take care of that with some more filing on the bottom here. The filing that I did was on the side, and but I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom. You see where this is not quite snapped in. So that's all I wanted to show you on this video. It's part of the do-it-yourself projects that I've been doing for the Diamond D50 aircraft. And as you can see, this looks more realistic. Yeah. All right, so again, my name is Chris. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you want to make comments, go ahead and leave a comment. If you want to be notified of upcoming videos or new videos in the future, go ahead and subscribe to Pilot Savvy on YouTube. Again, my name is Chris, and have a good day. Bye now.